I want to say that on behalf of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, we, the women of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, wanted to be justified for Sumila Ronghangpi. As far as possible, we want justice to the minor girl who was raped and burned to death. We need justice for all the girls in Karbi Anglong who is away from their home. We want justice especially for Sumila Ronghangpi. Since 4 years, she has been away from her parents. Now she reached to the house or to the residence only her dead body. So, on behalf of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, we demand justice until and unless Sumila Ronghangpi gets justice. We will not get back. That's all.
So, ma'am, my next question to you is, can you just tell me what is the main reason, what is the main purpose, and what is the main reason that our children are forced to, walk outside Karbi Anglong?
The main reason I want to say on behalf of Karbi Anglong is Women Justice Forum is that if the education, lower education up to higher education is available in their society or in their area, the girls or the children of Karbi Anglong will not have to go away from their home. Since there is no LP school, ME school and higher studies, they are forced to stay away from their home and live with the people who they never seen from their birth. So the main reason is only because the Autonomous Council, they are not taking responsible for the people who are living in the village, in the corner of the village. If there is an education, proper education like LP school, ME school and higher studies in their locality, they may not go out or the parents may not send their children away from their home. So the main reason is lack of education center in the place where the incident took place. So we request and demand the Autonomous Council or the ruling government. It is not enough to develop the town area. The main development should be there in the backward area, because there the people doesn't know how to talk, or even the Assamese language they doesn't know how to talk. So if they open their eyes and provide them a proper education center in the rural area, the children of Karbi Anglong may not suffer in future.
Ma'am, my next question to you is, as now the people are educating and demanding for justice to Sumila Ronghangpi, and why do you think representing the council as doing for justice for this issue, and do you think the council is taking more serious on this issue?
Please repeat the question again, because due to the net problem or what, I can't hear properly.
You see, I'm asking you, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is very serious on this issue in matters of giving justice to Sumila Ronghangpi.
Network problem, I think.
Okay.
I didn't hear anything.
I was just asking you, do you think the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is serious on this issue?
They have the responsibility to take serious in this matter, because the people of Karbi Anglong, knows only the Autonomous Council because it is in the capital of Karbi Anglong, the headquarters, and all the leaders of the political party remain in the Autonomous Council, and they have got a power, or they have got, if they want, they have got the power to take responsibilities because they are the people who can lead the people of Karbi Anglong and improve them their livelihood or in the education way. Unless and until they give a proper center, the youth of today or the children of today cannot take any further step for the future of Karbi Anglong. So we, on behalf of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, request the leaders of Autonomous Council to take responsibility and to give justice for Sumila Ronghangpi and the coming youth of Karbi Anglong in that area.
Ma'am, my last question to you is what you would like to respond or what you would like to appeal to the people of Karbi Anglong as well as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and also to the law and order.
Today, we, the women of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, on behalf of them, I stand and speak to the council and to the high level. We want justice for Sumila Ronghangpi from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as well as the high level, that is a state level, so that the children of Karbi Anglong may not suffer again, just like Sumila Ronghangpi. We don't want the children of Karbi Anglong to be astray or to be beaten or to be killed by any incident that take place just today. We want to see justice. We urge justice to the high level so that the parents of Sumila may be happy by getting justice of their own daughter Sumila Ronghangpi. We want justice in every way possible. Unless and until we get justice for Sumila Ronghangpi, we will not stop our work, what we are taking step just now. We need justice, only justice for Sumila. We don't need any other thing but only justice for Sumila. Because not only Sumila, we the women of Karbi Anglong are not safe, and we the girls of India are not safe. Why? The ruling party, they have got a slogan that Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. But where is the slogan? The slogan remains as a slogan. So we don't need the slogan, but we need justice to Sumila Ronghangpi.
Okay, ma'am, this is Priscilla, General Secretary of the Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum.